Hi, I'm Tom Smith, here to share how ASCE is working for you this month. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced engineer, we want to support you throughout your professional journey. And landing that job that elevates your career comes down to crafting the perfect resume. The way you present your work history isn't just important, it can be the crucial reason you get that call back for an interview. Backed by popular demand, the ASCE Resume Workshop will provide helpful advice from resume experts and government-specialized coaches to ensure your resume reflects the best version of you. It'll be hosted on ASCE Career by Design from November 8th through the 12th. All submitted resumes will be reviewed and will receive feedback by November the 15th. The workshop is completely free, so be sure to take advantage of this member-exclusive benefit. Just log on to ASCE Career by Design to register and meet the coaches today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.